Welcome back to the showroom floor, y'all. I'm really excited to be here because now I'm over in the customer magic zone and it's really, really cool. But right now I'm standing with Klaus, who is a senior engineer for Ikea, and he's going to show us one of the most popular demos in the area. There are crowds of people trying to fight their way in right now. Hey, back up. I'm looking at you. So before you actually show me how it works, can you tell me a little bit about how your team developed this?
Yeah, sure. So we assembled a pretty small team that we can work in an iterative fashion.
Nice.
Dividing the work, but close feedback loops together with Google Engineering.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and we use the Vision API, product search.
The Cloud Vision API?
Yes.
I love that.
Yeah, it's awesome. Together with object detection that we're trying out together with Google.
Nice.
To enhance the product offering from your side, and also, you know, try to work with the customer experience on our side. So you'll see in the demo.
Okay. And then you talked about how your team really focused on working iteratively. Now I heard a rumor that y'all did this whole thing in less than 3 weeks. Is that
that's
true?
pretty amazing. Yeah,
Oh
we're
my
fast-paced, very short sprints that we did, right?
So you got to work with, you mentioned some Google engineers, which is really cool, but you get to work for a company that like really encourages and gives you the space to try these ideas so quickly like that. How does that feel, like as a developer?
That's really good, that we are empowered to do this kind of exploration cases.
It sounds like a dream, right?
Yeah, it really is.
Okay, so speaking of dreams, will you show me how this works? Maybe on the horse right there?
Yeah, sure. So this is, here we try to detect the object.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. And then it matches to our range, right? And then you can interact with it, and it will show you our mobile webpage where you can get more information.
And then could you do like this stool?
Yeah, for sure. So let's try it out. It will recognize it and show directly. It's a yawning stool, and then we can move over here. You can interact
this.
and.
So the idea is that instead of taking that little pencil, you can walk around and like build your list with your phone.
Yeah, point and click.
Does it even get like decorative items?
Of course. So let's try this one out. So you see here, you got it directly.
This is so cheap, and it's a plant I can't kill.
Yeah.
Because it's fake.
It's even called fake.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Is that like
Swedish?
For fake?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I want one so badly. This is a really cool demo. I understand now why there's a crowd of people waiting to get back in here.
Yeah,
so I want to thank you so much for talking to me
and
for building this.
Thanks for having us here.
I'm so excited. I will be in the store pretty soon.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
Yeah, likewise.
And then thanks to all of y'all for watching, and we'll show you some more cool things later.